In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a content approval workflow in ClickUp. We'll set up a clean, repeatable system so you can see exactly where every blog, video, design or social post stands, from draft all the way to published, without the guesswork. First, open ClickUp in your browser or the desktop app and sign in. Either option works the same for what we're doing today. Once you're in, we'll create a dedicated home for approvals so everything stays organized and easy to find. Click on Spaces, choose Add Space, and name it Content Approval. Think of a space like a department or big container for related work. Make sure lists are enabled in this space, because lists will be how we track each approval stage and keep tasks grouped in one place. Inside that new space, add a folder called Reviews. Folders help you separate workflows by function or team, and reviews will keep all approval-related lists tidy and together. Now create a list named Approval Workflow. This will be the central pipeline. In this setup, every task represents one piece of content. So it's simple. One asset, one task, moving through the same stages. Add your content tasks next. Create a task for each blog, video, design or post, and name the task with the content title so it's instantly recognizable later. You can drop notes or links in the task description to keep context in one place. To make your workflow smarter, add custom fields. Create fields for content type, reviewer, and publish date. Content type helps you filter by asset category, reviewer clarifies who's responsible for approval, and publish date lets you plan timelines and spot what's coming up. Now set your approval statuses. Use draft, in review, changes needed, approved, and published. These map to the real lifecycle of content. As you move a task through each status, everyone sees what's ready, what needs edits, and what's been shipped. Around now is a good time to mention. If you need ClickUp, I've placed the website and download link right at the top of the description so you can grab the app or access it online quickly. To monitor approvals, use the list or board view. The board view shows each status as a column, so you can drag tasks from draft to published like a production line. The list view is great for sorting by publish date, grouping by reviewer, or scanning for anything stuck in changes needed. Use whichever view helps you spot bottlenecks fastest. That's it. You now have a simple ClickUp workflow to track content approvals from draft to publish. Thanks for watching.